In this video, let's understand the habits you need to develop to improve your English fluency. Let's start with the first habit. I've told this many times, but still many of you are not applying it. You're taking it lightly, assuming that this is not so important. But this is the key, first most important habit. And this habit is listening English, watching English. What I mean by listening and watching English is every single day, spend at least 30 minutes to an hour, dedicated time, watching and listening to English. It can be any content. It can be news, it can be a movie, it can be a motivational video, it can be anything, doesn't matter, but it should be in English. I have some recommendations for you. There is a very famous news channel called as WION, W-I-O-N, WION News. You can go and search in YouTube, free of cost. You can go and watch a lot of videos. You can hear a lot of Indian English there. Good content. You will get knowledge as well as the linguistic aspect. The linguistic aspect of English will be improved. And you will get to know many words, right pronunciation from that particular YouTube channel, WION. Go and check it out. Secondly, you can watch a lot of movies. When you watch a movie, make sure that the subtitle is on so that you can read it as well as listen it, so that you know the right pronunciation and the right spelling of that particular thing. And if you feel that, assuming you're watching in YouTube, if you feel that the speed is a little fast for you, you can reduce the speed. There is an option. You can make it 0.75, 0.5, 0.25. So based on your comfort, you can reduce the speed of the video so that you understand that English well. Now this is very important habit. You have to be consistent with it. Listen it every single day for next 2 months for 30 minutes minimum. That's first habit you have to develop. Second habit is whatever you have understood in that 30 minutes of gathering, assuming you saw news for 30 minutes, what you have to do is you have to summarize that news in an audio format or a video format. Choice is yours. All of us have WhatsApp these days. WhatsApp has this audio recording option. Open that audio, record whatever you understood in your own language, okay? And what you can do probably is, while you're watching that news, make a note, important key points. And the second part, when you have done the watching part, second part is you record it in your own language, summarize it in English, and send that audio or a video to a friend who knows English better than you, and ask him to become a critic and give a feedback to you. Now this is a very crucial habit. The reason is, only if you speak and listen, you improve your English. And these two should become your habits. First, gather. Second is record and send it to someone who can give you a feedback. Now don't give reasons that you don't have anyone who speaks English better than you. If that is the case, you're in the wrong circle of friends. Find better circle of friends. So find someone who can give you feedback, someone better in English than you. So do that. Record it, send it, take feedback. Second habit. Third habit is writing habit. What you can do is spend 30 minutes or 20 minutes or 15 minutes minimum writing something in English. Assuming you're talking to a friend in Telugu, same conversation, record it in English by texting it, by using a pen and paper. But in this case, what I recommend you is, don't use a pen and paper. Better you choose a digital way of writing. Example, you can use a laptop and you can use Word file, okay, WordPad, Microsoft Word, and write something in the Microsoft Word. The reason is, Microsoft Word has an inbuilt mechanism to check the mistakes and give it to you in red marks. So if you make some grammatical mistakes or spelling mistakes, it corrects you automatically. So use that as a tool to help you to find your own mistakes while writing in English. Okay, and same thing, if you feel that Microsoft Word is not doing a good job, copy it and paste it in Grammarly.com. Grammarly is the tool. I'll put the link in the description box. Go and check it out. Whatever you paste it in Grammarly, it will highlight the mistakes even better than Word file. It will really help you. Go and check it out. So that's the third habit you have to develop. Writing habit and checking mistakes. So these three are top habits. Fourth habit, what you can do is, again I'll post a link in the description of commonly used words in English, commonly spoken words. I'll put more than 1,000 words. Open that list and every day try to learn at least 5 words. Now, when I say learn, don't just by heart these words. Go and search that word in internet, see the images, understand what that word means, and then learn it. Only then it can help you. Please understand. Blindly just seeing the word, by hearting the word is of no use. Open that word, Google it, find an image, understand what it is, and then learn those 5 words every day for the next 90 days or 60 days. Make it as a habit. 4th habit. Now, last and most important habit is the habit of hanging out with friends who speak English, which means make a circle of English speaking friends. This is very important habit. Now, many of you may tell me, Saurabh, I don't have access to friends who speak in English. Find the right circle. We have social media, we have internet, a lot of options available. If you have the right mindset and intention to learn English, you will find out the circle as well. So at least find 3-4 friends who speak English. Move with them, hang out with them, speak with them. Automatically your English will improve. These 5 are the habits which you definitely should work upon to make your English better. I'll summarize this for you. First, watch and listen English. Second thing, record and share with your friend who can give you feedback. Third thing, write English. Fourth thing, learn few words, 5 words visually in English with images. And the last thing, find the right circle of friends who speak English, whom you can speak English with regularly. If you apply all these 5 tips, definitely you can become a good English speaker. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and share with your friends who want to improve their English. Any specific question if you have, ask in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with a new video. Till then, keep practicing English.